You got it, kid. Ka-chow! Time to see what I've got. Yeah, this is living. Nothing's gonna stop me.
Hello, police. I saw a red suspicious car. Please come fast.
Oh, they are following me. I need to go fast. Oh no! I think I lose him! Where is he gone? Ha-ha! They won't find me!
Okay, so you're here. Hello, police. Come here. I found the suspect.
Aha! Here you are. Hey, red car. Don't need to hide. You're free to go, but be careful about traffic rules.
Oh, okay, I will.
Thank you, Ash, for helping me out.
Thank you, officer. Please subscribe for more amazing learning videos.